Up, welcome back to my channel. It's Lex, and today I will be creating this look. Now I love it. I don't think I've done a look I don't like. I mean, do we ever do things we don't like? Well, I guess we do, if we're being honest. So this is done with the Blood Sugar palette only. You'll see that. I think this is going to be like I missed like a whole week. I think the last video I recorded was a week ago. I haven't recorded nothing this week. So I think this is like day 9 of the Christmas makeup looks. But I'm trying. The kids get out of school today. They're on break for 2 weeks. That's hectic. So I'm gonna try to do what I can. Because honey, this right here, my lip goes with my eyes. Wait, before we get into the video, make sure you like it, but most of all, make sure you subscribe. I ain't going nowhere, so you might as well subscribe. If you want to see how I got this look, keep watching. First shade is going to be Fresh Meat. I already primed my eyelids. So next I'm going in with cherry soda right above it. We got that one, and now we're gonna go above that with a little bit of tongue pop. Okay, I gotta darken up the first shade we use. Next, we gotta cut the crease. I love this glitter. sweetener. Okay, we'll do under the eye. So many. Okay, gonna do the under eye. Fresh meat. Under that, cherry soda. Eyeliner. Tongue pop in the center right there. I'm going to finish the rest of my face. Okay, the poinsettia. On the outside. This is the final look. I love it. It actually looks pretty damn good if you ask me. Look at my hair sticking out in the back here. It looks pretty darn good. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and subscribe. And stay tuned for the next video.